Yeah, so I think it's actually quite interesting in the UK insurance market. We've got increasing regulation. We've got exciting uses of technology that reduces the cost of production of insurance. And the way customers are buying insurance is slowly changing because of the use of technology. So Gibraltar has always been a centre of excellence for insurance, in particular motor and home insurance. And I think for them to keep up with what's developing, I think they need to do two or three things. The first is make sure that they have robust underwriting. The second is keep up with the regulatory development. So I think governance needs to be improved. This is across the world, right? But just particularly so in Gibraltar, so that they can keep up with what's happening in the UK. And the third is use technology smartly to be able to reduce the cost of production and hopefully generate more profits and then employ more people and grow more successfully the industry in Gibraltar.
When you say technology, can you be more specific? Are we talking about consumer technology, for example?
Yeah, so I think there are two aspects to what I'm saying. I think the first is how you interact with your customer. If you can make it easier to interact with a customer via your phone, via the web, so that you don't necessarily need to talk to someone if you don't need to, so it's quicker to interact, the customer will appreciate that and will pay you for that product. I think the second is, how do you make what we do in the insurance industry in Gibraltar more efficient? Can we use technology to reduce the cost of what we do? And if we can then pass that on to the customer.
So this is probably the fourth or fifth year that we've been organising such an event. The PWC Insurance Seminar together with our colleagues in the London office. And it's just a great opportunity to get people within the sector together and talk about market, technology updates, and then obviously focus a bit more technically into regulatory and compliance matters. And effectively just to bring people together and talk about issues that people are concerned about, where the industry is moving forward, and sometimes just to take stock and share each other's ideas, So it's a good opportunity to kind of pull everyone together within the industry.
So when you say people from different sectors within the industry, who do you mean?
So from regulator to insurance operators, to those within the supply chain, within the insurance kind of cycles, to accountancy firms, lawyers, etc. Everyone involved from start to finish.